Inside this billion-dollar facility, some of the fastest electric supercars in the world are built from the ground up.
Today, we're taking you inside an advanced supercar factory to reveal how cutting-edge electric hypercars are engineered and assembled.
Every supercar passes through hundreds of precision manufacturing steps. Precision machining begins.
Lightweight materials define electric performance.
Carbon fiber reduces weight while increasing strength. The power source arrives under strict control. Heat and pressure cure the composite. Every component is digitally tracked. The skeleton is assembled. The heart of performance is energy storage.
Performance is verified.
Safety standards are extreme. Thousands of cells are integrated. Temperature control protects performance. Magnetic systems create motion. Power delivery begins here. Power management is integrated. Lightweight wheels improve handling.
Traction systems are completed.
Powertrain integration is complete. Automation keeps the assembly line moving efficiently. The power system is connected. Thermal control protects high-performance batteries. Battery performance is constantly monitored. Power systems require exact integration. Stopping systems endure high loads. Accuracy is measured in fractions of a millimeter.
Every vehicle begins as digital engineering.
Software defines driving behavior. This process creates ultra-lightweight strength. Precision alignment is critical. The battery is secured. Driver control systems are assembled. Luxury craftsmanship meets engineering. Exterior finishing begins. Ride control systems are installed.
Every detail is hand-finished.
vehicle takes shape.
Design identity becomes visible.
Cabin assembly begins. Luxury features are added. Precision coating enhances aesthetics.
Lighting systems are integrated.
Materials bond under pressure. Layering defines structural strength.
Carbon fiber shaping begins.
Power is distributed intelligently. Ride systems are validated.
Performance means control.
Precision handling starts here. Cabin protection matters.
Artificial intelligence verifies system health. Aerodynamics shape speed.
Surface perfection is essential. The iconic finish begins to appear.
Efficiency is modeled digitally.
The finish hardens under heat. The build is officially approved.
Rear identity is completed.
Extreme weather testing begins. Weather resistance is validated. Luxury features meet engineering. Interior atmosphere is refined. Thermal resilience is essential.
Driver feel is carefully tuned.
Modern vehicles rely heavily on software.
The journey continues.
Charging infrastructure is built in.
Identity is finalized.
Airflow efficiency is finalized.
Presentation matters.
Handling systems are refined.
Aesthetic finishing continues.
Surface perfection is measured. Instant acceleration defines the experience.
Innovation extends to illumination. Visibility systems are tuned. Transport preparation begins.
Power output is measured precisely.
Accuracy is verified.
Advanced systems enhance control.
From carbon fiber and code to electric speed machines of the future. From raw aluminum to fully assembled performance machines.
Dynamic systems adapt to speed. Aerodynamics enhance downforce.
Software systems come alive. Even audio is engineered.
Instant torque must feel precise.
Finished vehicles await delivery.
The final handoff is complete.
Subscribe for more hidden factories, luxury manufacturing, and advanced technology documentaries.